The Colossi of Memnon are located on the western bank of the Nile in the ancient city of Thebes, now known as Luxor. Luxor, one of Egypt's most significant tourist destinations, is home to numerous pharaonic monuments that date back thousands of years to the era of the ancient Egyptian civilization. These two massive statues originally stood at the entrance of a grand funerary temple dedicated to King Amenhotep III of the 18th dynasty, who reigned between 1417 and 1379 BC. Today, the only remnants of this once majestic temple are the colossal statues, each towering at 18 meters high. Some scholars suggest that the temple was later used as a quarry during the reign of the 19th dynasty, leading to its destruction. Amenhotep III was the first pharaoh to commission statues of such monumental scale. The creation of these massive figures reflected the belief that the king was a heroic figure capable of performing divine feats, a concept central to New Kingdom art. As a result, royal sculptures from this period often depicted rulers in an imposing, larger-than-life form. The colossi portray Amenhotep III seated on a low-backed throne, hands resting on his knees, wearing the royal crown. At the base of his right leg stands a small statue of his wife, Queen Tiye, while a smaller figure of his mother, Mutamwiya, appears on the left. Intricate carvings on either side of the throne depict the Nile god tying together papyrus and lotus plants, symbolizing the unification of Upper and Lower Egypt. The statues gained their famous name, the Colossi of Memnon, due to a natural phenomenon that followed an earthquake in 27 BC. The quake caused the northern statue to crack, and afterward it emitted a mysterious sound whenever the wind passed through it. This eerie noise led the Greeks to associate the statues with Memnon, a legendary Ethiopian hero slain by Achilles in the Trojan War. According to myth, Memnon's mother, Eos, the goddess of dawn, pleaded with Zeus to grant her son special recognition. In response, Memnon's voice was said to resonate at dawn, and Eos wept for him, her tears falling to the earth as morning dew. This legend, along with the mysterious sound, made the site a major attraction for ancient travelers, drawing visitors from Greece, Rome, and beyond. Among the most notable visitors was the Roman Emperor Hadrian and his wife. However, around 200 AD, restoration work was carried out on the northern statue, after which the sound ceased, ending one of history's most famous ancient acoustic phenomena. Thank you for following. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more documentaries on the mysteries of history.